fdisk -l /dev /sda. I have 8 partitions are there. Look at this. 8 partitions are there in SDA. Okay. I'm using this one only. So go for it. So here it is. As for this, we are already crossed this one. Okay. So what I'm doing. So 8 is completed. Maybe this is become a 9 and next one is 10. 9 and 10. I'm using here 9 and 10 for this one. Okay. So fdisk /dev /sda. I'm creating a new partition. P spaces left are there. Yes, some space is there. I will take 2 GB, 2 GB only. I'm not taking more space. Okay, 2 GB, 2 GB. I think it will be enough. Next, new ninth one. New one is 9. First sector plus 2 GB. Okay, simple volume 2 GB volume. P created. Guys, this is Linux file system, but I want to make this is as a Linux LVM type. What to do? What to do? How to change Linux file system from, sorry, I want to change it to Linux LVM from Linux file system. Ninth one. What to do?
T.
T. Very good. Ninth one.
31.
L. Yes, 31. Very good. Okay. Linux LVM 31. The Linux LVM 31. Okay. Now P. See Linux LVM. I need at least two, right? Two or three, no problem. But at least two minimum is required for a LVM practice and a single hard disk. Ninth is now is there. Now we'll go for 10th one. N new 10. Enter, enter. I will take another 2 GB. You can take 2 GB, 3 GB, your wish, no problem. Depends upon your disk space left. Now created. P again Linux file system. I want to convert into Linux LVM. What to do? Again T. We don't need anything, just default is 10. Yes. You don't need to type L because already we know 31. So I'm giving 31 directly. P. Take it. Both are LVM type. First we have to do this one. What happened here? First you have to do this one. So 2 GB, 2 GB, LVM type. Save it. W. Completed. Okay. Completed. Now part probe. Compulsory part probe array kpartx. So it is saying something, but no problem. So dev /sda. It will automatically add it once you are given a part probe. It will verify all the table and it will update the table into kernel. Kernel update is done. Normally, we format the drives, right? We go to MKFS kind of stuff, right? But we are not doing that one. What we are doing, prv create, prv create. Guys, one second. Okay, okay. Sorry for a distance. So PV create um, slash dev slash SDA 9. Okay, SDA 9. See, it's a even it's not a hard disk. It is just a partition also. So what I want to do is, oh, very big one. This is okay. So I have to copy this one carefully, but I have to remove a lot of things from here also. Commands we know, but the internal process of disk is difficult. This also not required. This also not required. Unnecessary data access. Okay, this is we can give. We verify partitions. Okay. N. Okay, this is okay. This is not required. This much is not required. Okay. And this is also lot of things are not required. This is not required. Some of people are already feeling bored. Don't worry. So now it is PV create. One more is there. PV create slash dev slash SD A10. Wrong command. Create. Okay, SDA10. Next one is VG create VG name SDA9. Successful. Next one, I want to add a extend VG name. Okay, VG created, PV created, but I didn't check the PVs. PVS, see, these two are physical volumes. They are in the volume groups. Each one is 2 GB, 2 GB. Okay, LVS, sorry, VGS, VG2, two physical volumes. Okay, zero logical volume. Total size is 4 GB. 2 GB, 2 GB. Total size is 4 GB. Okay, I want to create a LV create. Okay, before that one, I want to go yeah, VG. LV create, LV create hyphen capital L plus 3G. I'm creating 3 GB in 4 GB. Remember, guys, each volume is 2 GB, 2 GB. 2 plus 2, 4. Within the 4, I'm creating 4. 3. Within a 4, I'm creating 3. VG2 hyphen N LV3. Okay, LV3 is created. LVS. See? Okay, 3 GB I created in a 4 GB. So you want to see LV display VG2. Under VG2 LV display. So this is my volume. So total volume is actually VG2 total volume is 4 GB. So LV size is 3 GB. Okay. Uh, MKFS EXT4. Put this thing. Format is completed. Okay. MKDAR LV disk 3. Okay, LV disk 3. LV3 I created directly. So next one is mount slash dev slash VG2 slash LV3 LV disk 3 DS space hyphen H. This is mounted. See, 3 GB mounted. But total volume group size is total volume group size is 4 GB only. Within a 4 GB, I created 3 GB, 1 GB left. Okay, guys. Understand or not? BG display also can go. BG display V like that also can go for a comments. This is the simplest thing. So what I done? Okay. So first LVM we created and done, but I done this LVM. So I took a small partition in a regular hard disk. One is 9, another is a 10. Okay. And first of all, first one I told PV, next one I told another PV. Okay, physical volume. I created a volume group based on this. So I created a volume group in it. I created a volume group on it. This is volume group 3, a volume group 2 I created. Okay. So inside a volume group, this is a 2 GB, 2 GB. So totally my volume group is 4 GB only. In this one, 3 GB LV logical volume I created. LV logical volume I created. That much as I created. So each one is 2 plus 2, totally 4. In the 4, I created a 3. Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very. Okay. So